How to fix FPS drops and stuttering in League of Legends. So first what you need to do is turn your video settings all the way to low in your game and check if your problem solves. If not, then what you need to do is get over to your desktop and then here you have to type graphics settings. Open this, make sure this is turned off, and here just click on browse and just search for right client. Once you search it, just click on this, click on options and make sure you select high performance. Once you save this, then what you need to do is press and search for Xbox and click on enable game bar. Make sure this is turned off, make sure the captures are turned off as well, and make sure game mode is turned on. Once you do this, just restart your PC and check if your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.